Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trade license online in Kolkata. Obtaining this permit is a crucial step for any business, ensuring you operate legally and smoothly within the city. We will walk you through the entire process, from initial registration to final submission, highlighting key documents and fees. This guide aims to make your online application straightforward and efficient, helping you avoid common pitfalls and ensuring compliance with local regulations. The online application process begins by visiting the Kolkata Municipal Corporation's official website. First, you will need to register for a user ID and password on their e-district portal. Once logged in, carefully fill out the online application form, providing all required business details. After completing the form, upload all your supporting documents digitally. Finally, submit your application for review by the authorities, a process designed for your convenience. Gathering the correct documents is vital for a smooth application. You will need proof of your business premises occupancy, such as a property tax bill or a rent agreement. Personal identity and address proofs for the proprietor, partners, or directors are also essential. Ensure you have the PAN card of your business entity and all key individuals. For companies, the memorandum and articles of association are required, while partnership firms must submit their partnership deed. Regarding fees, a nominal processing charge, often around 50 rupees, is usually part of the application. The main trade license fee varies significantly, depending on your business type and the area of your premises. Typically, the application processing takes about 1 to 3 working days. Remember, trade licenses require annual renewal. You can conveniently renew online by paying the appropriate fee, as operating without a valid license can result in fines and other penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.